reach, I'd have the courage, yeah.
What's up everybody? Welcome to another video. Today we are going to take you to NIO's factory in China and then we will go to Onvo L60 release event. Let's go! But before we start the video, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Okay, we are already at the factory now. What NIO does here is pretty clever. Instead of locking everything into one continuous body line, they decouple the process, allowing different models to be built in batches, painted, stored on racks, and kept ready. Once a customer places an order, the factory matches the body color with the chosen interior and components, creating a flexible system built around customization. Okay, here is the all-aluminum body production line with 227 robots in one section and 659 in another, both using 100% automated joining. The parts are connected through cleaner cold mechanical methods like SPR and FDS, which reduce VOC emissions while keeping the line flexible enough to build multiple models with precision. Wow, I don't know about you, but I feel like it's truly a beautiful scene to watch. Everything moves with precision, step by step, handled automatically by the machines, one process after another. There are still people working on the line, but the robots are everywhere. Once you see how many of them are moving at the same time, you understand that most of the work here is automated. And as far as I know, it's gonna be fully automated soon. Different models come through the line in sequence, and from here, they're heading straight toward the paint shop. Wow, can you guess which model is this? Yeah, this is the Onvo L60, the model being released tonight. Okay, now we are in another part of the factory where the interior starts coming together. Of course, I have been looking out for the ET5T because now we have two of them at home, and watching this process is honestly calming. The robots move with such precision, handling each step carefully while the quality control keeps everything in check. Seeing how these cars are built from the inside and how much attention goes into every stage, it really confirms one thing for me. Buying not just one, but two NIO EVs at the same time was definitely not a mistake. We were in a bit of a hurry because we had to head to the launch event, so we couldn't cover the entire factory this time. But thanks to Emma, the head of global media department, we also got to visit NIO House. And honestly, it was charming to see how NIO is building more than just cars. Their CSR campaigns feel genuinely involved with a clear focus on community, sustainability, and keeping the brand as environmentally responsible as possible. By the way, they even have a Clean Perks edition built around NIO's support for national parks, cleaner mobility, and protecting the natural spaces that make every journey feel meaningful. Oh yeah, I also picked up a bag from NIO House. It's made from recycled plastic cola bottles and leftover Nappa leather from the production line. Okay, before we go to the launch event, a small message from the sponsor of this video, Dr. Phone, an application that we use in our studio. Accidentally deleting iPhone data can feel stressful, especially when there is no backup ready. Photos, videos, calls, messages, WhatsApp data, and application files can matter. Wondershare Dr. Phone is designed for iPhone data recovery, giving mobile users a clear way to scan for lost files and check what can be recovered before starting the restore process. One of the key upgrades in Dr. Phone 13.9 is the newly optimized iCloud backup recovery function. It allows users to view backup package information for free, download the backup package for free, and preview detailed data for free. That makes the process easier to understand before any recovery step begins. Doctor phone can also focus on selected files, so the recovery process feels more controlled instead of restoring everything all at once. Okay, I use Doctor phone as I trust it. So if you really need something like this, then you should check the link given in the description box. Once I arrived at the event, the energy was impossible to miss. People were gathered around the new Onvo, checking every detail, filming, talking, and sharing their first impressions with their audiences. Even after the launch ended, the excitement didn't really stop. The conversations kept going, the cameras kept rolling, and everyone seemed to have something to say. So the real question is, why are people so excited about the Onvo L60? Okay, I think it starts with the shape. It has that clean coupe SUV look, but still keeps the space and presence people expect from a proper family EV. Then comes the intelligence. With NIO's flagship tech moving into this class, the L60 feels smarter than a normal mid-sized SUV. The SkyOS system, advanced driving hardware, and NIO World model make it feel like flagship technology is finally becoming more accessible. Yeah, I know, range is another reason people care. With up to 740 km CLTC range, it feels ready for daily driving and longer trips. Inside, the L60 feels more like a mobile lounge. With a large second row, a 17.3-inch 3K rear screen, fridge, sunshades, and foldable table. And all these together gives it a luxury SUV vibe. Finally, the price makes the story stronger. The base L60 Pro starts around $28,500 or around $20,000 with battery rental. The top Ultra Plus starts around $33,000 or around $24,500 with battery rental. Yeah, these numbers are really mouth-watering. With this design, this space, this intelligence, battery swap, long range, and all these features at this price point, the Onvo L60 didn't just challenge the Tesla Model Y in China. It came in and completely shook the segment. And honestly, after seeing all this, I think the Onvo L60 deserves a proper full review on this channel.
And I still see you smiling.